Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
Using the titration information given, let's solve for the mass percent of copper in the sample. Let's first start by calculating the moles of the Na2S2O3. We have the molarity, 0.1 molar, and the volume, 10.49 milliliters is 0.01049 liters. This will work out to 0.001049 moles of the Na2S2O3. Let's calculate the moles of the S2O3 2 minus. This would be equal to 0.001049 moles of the Na2S2O3. 1 mole of the Na2S2O3 has 1 mole of S2O3 2 minus. This would yield 0.001049 moles of the S2O3 2 minus. Now we can find the mass of the copper using the mole ratio. This is 2 moles of S2O3 2 minus to 1 mole of I3 minus times 1 mole of I3 minus to 2 moles copper 2 plus, 1 mole of copper 2 plus to 1 mole of copper, and 1 mole of copper, 63.55 grams of copper, and this would yield 0.06666 grams of copper. The mass percent of copper in the sample is 0.06666 grams of copper divided by the 14.98 grams sample times 100%, and this will work out to 0.4450%, and that would be the mass percent of copper in the sample.